Join me, Chef Felipe, as I take on the challenge of making the spiciest tuna tacos in just 10 minutes. Making a quick yet flavorful meal can be tough, especially when it comes to seafood. I mean, think about it. Seafood is often associated with complicated recipes that take hours to prepare. And honestly, don't even get me started on the mess of cleaning and prep work. But what if I told you that you can skip all that fuss and still get a restaurant-quality dish in no time? One of the biggest challenges people face when trying to make quick seafood meals is finding the right ingredients. Fresh seafood can be hard to come by. And let's be real, who has time to go to the market and wait in line? Another challenge is figuring out how to cook the seafood without overcooking it. And then there's the seasoning. It's easy to end up with a dish that's either too bland or too overpowering. To make these spicy tuna tacos, you'll need a few key ingredients. First, there's the sushi-grade tuna. This is the star of the show, folks. You'll also need some crunchy taco shells, diced mango, red onion, cilantro, and a squeeze of fresh lime juice. And of course, no spicy tuna taco would be complete without some heat, so I'm using a dash of sriracha and some diced jalapeno. The sriracha adds a nice kick, while the jalapeno gives it a bit of crunch. The mango and red onion add a pop of color and some sweetness to balance out the heat. And let's not forget the cilantro. It's the perfect herb to tie everything together. The lime juice brings everything together, adding a bit of acidity to cut through the richness of the tuna. And have you ever tried using taco shells for tuna tacos? It may sound weird, but trust me, it's a total game changer. The crunch of the shell pairs perfectly with the tender tuna. Alright, it's time to put it all together. First, I'm going to season the tuna with some salt, pepper, and a squeeze of lime juice. Then, I'm going to heat up some oil in a pan and sear the tuna for about 2 minutes on each side. While that's cooking, I'm going to prep my toppings. Dice the mango, chop the cilantro, and slice the jalapeno. The anticipation is building, and I can already imagine the flavors coming together. Once the tuna is cooked, I'll chop it up into small pieces and mix it with some sriracha and a squeeze of lime juice. Then, it's time to build the tacos. A spoonful of tuna, some diced mango, a sprinkle of cilantro, and a slice of jalapeno. To recap, we seasoned the tuna, seared it in a pan, and mixed it with sriracha and lime juice. We prepped our toppings, built the tacos, and voila! A delicious spicy tuna taco in just 10 minutes. So what are you waiting for? Give this recipe a try, and let me know what you think in the comments below. If you're looking for more quick and easy recipe ideas, be sure to like and subscribe to Taste in a Flash with Chef Felipe.